Welcome, today in front of me REALME 9 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint here to the power key button, and now I'll make a 5 of tries to unblock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fingerprint scanner works on our device and how fast we can just unlock our device with this unlock method. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, I just was really simple touch of the power key button. I just really simple touch the button, and the device unlocked with just less than in half or just 1.5 seconds. So I think that the fingerprint scanner works here really fast. So and it's the fingerprint is really sensitive, so you just can really by a really simple touch unlock your device. And if you don't like, for example, some methods like the pin code, passcodes, you can try the fingerprint scanner here, fingerprint unlock method. So I just suggest you to try that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.